Right, another day in Paradise Workshop. 4 projects to show you this morning, mostly in the workshop. 1939 Montgomery, quite rare. 350 Jap overhead valve, plunger back end, which makes it quite unique. 39 they introduced plunger rear suspension. So photograph here of one that's earlier model with a rigid back end. Down here we've got the Albion gearbox, 4-speed, bit of a rubbish gearbox, but that was Albion. Move on, we're cracking on with the 27 350 4-valve Rudges, coming together pretty good. Scent spray carburetor, we've cabled up, made all the cables up. We're using inverted levers, as you can see, the original levers invert. Quite difficult to thread all the cables up the inside. Jim's just bringing over the petrol tank, the stick in the petrol tank. We've had that painted, superb job, drop it in. So that gives you a bit of encouragement, lovely job. 27 Rudge. So as I said before, rebuilding 2, one's for the museum and the other one will be sold on to pay for some of the restoration costs of the both of them. Right, winter project, 1922 P&M, forerunner of the Panther. This outfit belongs to the Vintage Motorcycle Club. This was in use. Unfortunately, somebody pulled out of a side road in a car, and this driver had no option but just to ram the side of it. So a bit of severe damage. The whole front end of the sidecars disappeared, as you can see. This was originally out to here, so that's all been demolished. Luckily, we have all the patterns, so when Jan, he's a good carpenter, he'll be able to fabricate all the front of the sidecar out to here again. The forks, as you can see, took severe battering, and the handlebars are a bit worse for wear. Slightly out of line, slightly bent, so severe bit of work here. You can see how the headstock's pushed over that way and gone that way. So we'll have to strip the whole thing out, jig up the frame, pull that all straight, and severe bit of damage here where the exhaust pipe has got flattened, and even worse, it's broken the flange off the bottom of the barrel. So, and there's no point going down to Halfords because I don't think they have any P&M cylinders sitting on the shelf. So they don't want it concourse restored. The Vintage Motorcycle Club just want it back to the original patina if possible. So we'll work on that. So we'll keep you up to speed on how we're getting on, and probably 2 or 3 months time we'll have a ready for another test run. So over and out, catch up with you later. Cheers.